Today we will draw this reference, but very differently. The way I do it, I will not do it. So first, as I said, make it a block. Let's say if I make a block like this, then how it would look like. These are the three different shapes would look like this, right? Now let us understand that what are the different angles are there. So this is a straight line on which both the legs are there, has taken all the weight of the body and the hand. Then it creates a angle, and this line is directly intersecting the middle part. So 1 by half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the portion. If I draw a straight line here, there see other side of the line, two hands are actually there. So the right hand is in the right side of the line and the left hand is the left side of the hand, or rather the left side of the hand. So now if I draw this, it is touching the lower back. Now this angle, if you look at this angle, this intersect here. If I make a straight line from here, it will go directly in that middle point here. Okay. So like if I extend it here, it is here going in this part. So once we have both this line, and this is very important place where if all three important lines are meeting, so we'll keep this in mind when we'll be drawing it. Now say we try to draw this time we are doing differently, or we always starts from face, but this time we are starting from the leg part. So you don't have to really start from the face. So say this is my midpoint where it is dissecting the inclined line, and from here we draw the leg as we have drawn it here. So this is the pelvic area, and from here we draw the other leg as it is shown in our within our triangle. And from here we will try to draw the our backbone, and say we have given a reference oval shape for the rib cage. Now we will start drawing the lower back, and then we will start drawing the hand with the reference of the straight line which we drew it. Now that we drew this hand, from here we will draw a one angle which is dropping. And you remember we have drawn three straight vertical lines for the hand. Now we have second hand. From here we will draw this another line which you remember we have drawn it for the face part. We have drawn this area, and then the face we have drawn it. Now we have everything ready. This is the time you start drawing with the pen. So this is just to give it a reference. You remember this line main point where it is matching. So the junction point of that 3 points which you have drawn it, which you will be using it to draw the attire and the strips of this dress. So this is where we will be using it, and this is where you can draw the leg and everything which is as per the reference. Now this entire video I'm going to upload it in the evening in my YouTube, and I have added few more additional thing apart from it, like focusing on the feet part, that how do you draw the feet and shadings and everything, and more detailed explain is there. And also read the caption, because I do a lot of things added in the caption which I don't talk when I'm explaining it. Please read the caption, share and like.